Little did I know the cause of such austerity beheld upon my teacher's eyes, as I disliked whene'er they scorned, "Your Z comes after Y." Yet proud I sensed when they claimed my finely written ABC. Little did I know what I would someday be or do, the future they all planned about. I wished I was a dreamer too, poor aims but wealthy doubts, until like guardians walked they by and polished this unearthed gem. Little did I know my knowledge was incredible, and when I had the honor of learning from my selfless parents, disguised as stringent guides, it was the day I henceforth knew that passion hails profession. So little do we know the gift to be a learner, so often we forget the glory of a teacher.